Hello! Welcome to the Thread Within. I'm Pia, a Greek living in England, and today I'm going to share with you my morning commute to the office in Leeds. It's not something I do very often. I am actually the only member of my team that is based in the office in Manchester. However, the rest of my team is split between London and Leeds. So once in a while we meet face to face in either London or Leeds, and today is Leeds. I love going to the office in a different location than my home office location. It only happens every now and then, and it stops feeling like my usual going to the office routine. It starts feeling like a small special occasion. It takes about 15 minutes to get to the train station from home. It's just after 7 a.m. and the platform is quiet. I do like trains and platforms. I like that the platform says "Mind the gap" in big letters right at your feet. It's a little reminder to pay attention, to be present, which can be harder than it sounds some days. So my train is arriving. The journey will take about an hour. How I spend my time on the train usually depends on the journey length as well as my seat. If I get a window seat, I'll try to spend my time just looking through the window while listening to an audiobook. If I don't get a window seat, then I will read a book on my Kindle or work on my laptop. For longer journeys, I usually take with me a knitting project.
If you're leaving the train, take a moment to check you have everything with you. Don't forget any bags or cases in the luggage racks or under seats, and retain your tickets as they may be required if exiting this station.
Today has been raining, and the window is spotted with rain, which feels right for England. And just like this, this train is slowly approaching Leeds. The surroundings change and the buildings become taller and more modern. It's 8:30 in the morning now, and it's time to stop my mind from wandering and concentrate on the day ahead of me, and get off this train for now. It's 8:30 in the morning now, and it's time to get off this train and head to my meeting. A full day passed. There was the team meeting, there were conversations, there was a sandwich and an orange lemonade at some point. And now it's time to get back home. The train home always feels different from the train there. In the morning you're moving towards something. In the evening you're just heading home, leaving the day behind you. The same countryside, the same brickwork, the same tracks, but the light has changed. Everything looks a little warmer, a little more amber than grey. Even on a cloudy day, there's something in the late afternoon that softens things. On the journey back, I used my time to reflect on my day. I thought about the people I saw today, the conversations we had, all the small forgettable details of an ordinary work day that you won't quite remember in a week. I do not go to Leeds often. I was there for a day and I barely saw the city at all, but I am glad I went. For the walk this morning, for the platform, for the rain on the glass, and the green that appeared briefly between the towns both ways. I got to see my colleagues in real life and work with them side by side. In all honesty, I enjoyed this day in the Leeds office more than going to the Manchester office lately. Some journeys are just journeys, and some remind you gently that the point was never really the destination. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep following the thread within.